Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Teach Your Kids. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்க போறது open curve பேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்க letters C, G, O, Q. வீடியோக்குள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி alphabetsல உள்ள 26 letters பார்க்கலாம். A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, இப்போ இந்த open curve letters எப்படி எழுதுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். First letter C. Open curve. C. One more time. Open curve. C. Next letter G. Open curve. Going inside, back, slipping line, standing line. G. One more time. Open curve, going inside, back, slipping line, standing line. G. Next letter O. Open curve, up, touch. O. One more time. Open curve, up, touch. O. Next letter Q. Open curve, up, touch. Down slanting. Q. Once more. Open curve, up, touch, down slanting. Q. Thank you for watching this video. In the channel, subscribe channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to see my upcoming videos. I see you soon. Thank you. Bye.